Yeah, let's start it. As a part of Linux for cybersecurity, in this session, we are going to see Linux installation on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, so first, Linux operating systems available in two flavors. One, graphical user interface based. Second one, command user interface. All all production servers are command based interface. All production servers are command based interface. All developer missions are GUI based. We are going to use Kali Linux for our practice purpose. This Kali Linux we are going to use in GUI based Kali Linux way. GUI means graphical user interface, same like our Windows. How we are using Windows, right? How we are using Windows. Similar way, we are going to see Kali Linux graphical user interface. Okay. First, we have to download. We have to download Oracle VM VirtualBox. First step, we have to download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Open any web browser. Okay. Just right here, type Oracle VM VirtualBox download. Click on this first link, downloads. Okay, go back. You can see second link, Oracle VM VirtualBox download. In this, you can see Windows supported. You can see Windows installer and Mac operating system supported. Solar is supported. Ubuntu operating system supported. Okay, let's see. I am downloading Windows supported. Click on this downloads, then start downloading. Or you can see next link also. Click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, we see later. Open the folder, then start installing it. Open the folder, and then we are going to start installing this one. Let's see. Go to here. Double click on this VirtualBox for Windows. Then click on Yes button. Then it is starting installing. Click on Next button. Click on I accept. Click on Next button. Then it is going to install in C drive program files Oracle VirtualBox. Click on Next button. Click on Yes button. Click on Yes button. Click on Next button. Click on Install. Then it will start installing Oracle VM VirtualBox. Installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox is very, very easy. Yeah. Uncheck this start of Oracle VirtualBox. Click on Finish. This is my Oracle VM VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay. So here you can observe very, very important one. There is one more extension. There is one more folder called extension. There is a Oracle VM VirtualBox extension team. Let me search and install. Let's say it is going to support latest USB drives and multiple other things. Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, click on this one. You can see. So here you can see Oracle already maybe provided latest one. Okay. So you can see Oracle VirtualBox base package. Maybe it contains original latest one. Let's leave this extension at this point of time because we downloaded from Oracle. Now let's start installing. Let's start installing Kali Linux. So first one, download Kali Linux for Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let me add one important point here. So first we start Oracle VM VirtualBox software. Usually in this we are going to create a VM. In this VM we are going to attach Kali Linux, Kali Linux ISO file, Kali Linux ISO file. Then we are going to install Kali Linux. This is old process. Install Kali Linux. This is old way. This is old way. So what VirtualBox or Kali Linux is giving? Kali Linux giving this old approach. This old approach. Second approach is new approach. In this new approach, they give OVA file, which is already installed. OVA file. So we are downloading this one. We are downloading this file. We are going to attach to our VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox. That's it. We just attach this one. We are going to use. No need to manually install Kali Linux. They already installed, created a file called OVA file. Okay. Let's download that OVA file. Open any web browser. So I'm opening Google Chrome. In this Google Chrome, I'm searching Kali Linux for VirtualBox. Okay. You can see get Kali. Here you can see I said ISO file, old style. Next one, virtual machines supported style. It supports multiple virtual machines. Which virtual machine you want? Click on this recommended. You can see VMware supported, VirtualBox supported, Microsoft Hyper-V supported, then QEMU virtual warehouse supported, then VirtualBox. This one is not required. These are similar one. So I clicked on this one. Click on download. Click on download. It will start a download. The size of this file is 3.65 GB. Okay. I already downloaded. In my C drive. Go to C drive. Go to software. I already downloaded this VM. Okay. Now I'm going to create here virtual virtual missions. Virtual missions. In this virtual missions, I'm going to create for Kali Linux. Kali Linux. Okay. So go to go to our Oracle VM virtual box. Double click on this Oracle VM virtual box. Okay. Make it full screen. Go to here. Instead of new, click on open. Then go to C drive, go to softwares, and go to what's yeah. Here you can see. Yeah, let's go. Let's go here. Go close this virtual box. Go to software. Click on this Kali virtual box. WinRAR. So this is a RAR file. Extract this RAR file here because of RAR format. It is not showing. Okay. Let's go here. Let's wait to complete this one. Let's wait few seconds to complete extraction. Extraction is completed. Extraction is completed. Let's remove this zip file. Move this one to virtual machines. Go to virtual machines. Remove this Kali Linux. Just change this one instead of this lengthy name. Instead of this lengthy name, let's remove this one Kali Linux. Just to change this one. Okay. Now go to Oracle VM virtual box. Click on this one. Click on open. Go to C drive. Go to C drive. Go to software. Go to virtual machines. Click on Linux. Select this one. Click on open. Okay. So it is opened to it. Then double click on this power on. Then it is going to start Linux VM. Let's wait a few seconds. You can see it is started. Make it as sorry. Make it as full screen. Go to view. Click on scale mode. Switch. Then make it as full screen. Close this one. Close this one. This into mark. And username is Kali and password also Kali. Then press login. That is going to start Kali Linux operating system. So this is Kali Linux graphical user interface. Okay. So clear writing how to install Kali Linux in Oracle VM VirtualBox.